How to remove unwanted object from images on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the app drawer on your device and tap the gallery app. Now tap the folder and select the photo you want to remove unwanted object or person. Here we select this photo. Now tap on a pencil icon from the bottom side. Now here you can see at the last 4 dots, tap on it. Here you can see the object eraser option, tap on it. Now tap or draw around anything you want to erase. Here we draw this. Now you need to tap on a erase option, tap on a erase to erase from image on your device. Now you can see remove. Now tap on a done from the bottom right side. And you can see changes. So quite easy to remove the unwanted object from your Samsung S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.